This one's all about the veil of forgetfulness. In our previous video, we explored the profound journey of Sophia as she descended through the spiritual spheres and encountered the veil of forgetfulness. This mystical narrative provided deep insights into the challenges and trials that mark the human condition, inviting us to contemplate the enduring human pursuit of wisdom and transcendence. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend checking it out for a deeper understanding of Sophia's story to unveil its relevance to our quest for meaning. Let's dive into this concept further. Imagine setting forth on a quest for self-discovery, navigating the intricate mosaic of life, striving to uncover the deep truths that lie beneath the texture of reality. The concept of the veil of forgetfulness isn't confined to ancient mysticism. It resonates deeply within our human experiences today. This allegorical notion offers insights into the challenges we face as individuals in the modern world, shedding light on the spiritual memory loss which clouds our understanding as we navigate the complexities of life. Across different cultures and times, there's a recurring theme of individuals losing touch with their deeper selves and their sense of purpose. In today's fast-paced, materialistic world, it's easy to become ensnared in the daily grind, drowning in a sea of distractions and losing sight of who we truly are. We often find ourselves pursuing external achievements and societal expectations while neglecting the inner journey. Throughout history, various ancient cultures and mystical traditions have alluded to the concept of spiritual memory loss or cosmic amnesia in their own unique ways. Today we're alluding to it as the veil of forgetfulness. In ancient Egyptian mythology, the concept of the veil of Isis symbolized the hidden truths and mysteries of existence that are concealed from ordinary perception. To unveil these truths, one had to transcend the limitations of the material world. Similarly, in Hindu philosophy and the teachings of Vedanta, the term Maya represents the illusions of the material world, veiling the true reality of Brahman, the ultimate reality. To attain self-realization, individuals must pierce through the veil of Maya. In ancient Greece, the allegory of Plato's cave in the Republic illustrates the idea of people being chained within a cave, perceiving only shadows on the wall. To attain true knowledge, individuals had to break free from the illusions and ascend to realms of higher understanding. In the Native American tradition, the Great Mystery, which encompasses all of existence, is seen as the quest to remember and connect with this great mystery. In Buddhism, the concept of samsara refers to the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. The goal here to attain enlightenment and break free from this cycle, transcending the forgetfulness inherent in each cycle of existence. These diverse cultural and philosophical references highlight a common thread, a recognition of the challenges posed by the veil of forgetfulness, and the timeless quest for self-realization. The idea that individuals must pierce through the illusions of the material world to remember their true nature and purpose is a universal theme that continues to inspire seekers of wisdom and truth across the ages. Think of it as a universal challenge, like trying to navigate a dense forest without a map or compass. We lose our way, and the deeper understanding of our true selves becomes obscured as we navigate the illusions and distractions of the modern world, all in the search of our true selves. It serves as a catalyst for our spiritual evolution, challenging us to awaken from the slumber of routine and materialism to recall our authentic essence. Now let's explore what we must keep in mind amidst this forgetfulness, the timeless truths. Keep in mind your authentic self. Amnesia may obscure your true nature, but beneath it lies the essence of who you are. Take time for introspection, self-discovery, and self-acceptance. Embrace your uniqueness and authenticity, for it is in being true to yourself that you find clarity. Keep in mind your purpose. Amidst the noise of modern life, it's easy to lose sight of your life's aim. Reflect on what genuinely matters to you, what ignites your passions, and how you can make a meaningful impact in your own life and the lives of others. Your purpose is like a guiding star on your journey. Keep in mind your connection. We are all interconnected, part of a greater whole. Don't forget the bonds of compassion, empathy, and love that bind us together. Cultivate meaningful relationships and extend kindness to others, for it is in our connections that we find strength and purpose. Keep in mind your inner light. When you confront your own shadow, you unveil your inner light. In moments of stillness, you can access this inner light. Trust your intuition and inner wisdom to navigate the complexities of life. Keep in mind to learn and grow. Challenges and setbacks are part of the exploration. Embrace them as opportunities for growth and transformation. Don't be discouraged by failures. Fail forward. They are merely stepping stones. Keep in mind the quest for truth. The pursuit of truth, whether through self-inquiry, philosophy, or spiritual practices, is a noble endeavor. Keep seeking knowledge and wisdom, for it is in understanding the deeper mysteries of life that the amnesia begins to lift. Keep in mind your exploration. Your life is a unique odyssey, a journey of self-discovery and evolution. Cherish every moment, both the joys and the struggles, for they shape the person you are becoming. In the midst of your awakening, it's like peeling away the layers of illusion and distraction, pushing us to see beyond the surface. We start to question the routines and material pursuits that once occupied our lives. We feel an inner nudge to explore our true selves and purpose. Our genuine selves call out to us, reminding us of our inner fire and the meaning we're meant to find. We seek a connection with our inner wisdom, a deeper understanding of life's truths, and a more meaningful existence. As we awaken, we find freedom and unlock the mysteries of life, realizing our untapped potential. The ultimate truth of who we are is not I am this or I am that, but I am. For in the depths of your being, beyond labels and identities, wherein lies the resounding truth of I am, the eternal presence of your authentic self. We are all one. Human Fluence out.